It's Sunday, I want to chill, so I go to Spotify on my phone and instantly get a discovered weekly playlist that feels like it reads my mind. Later, I want to reply to an email, and Gmail's smart reply finishes my thoughts before I type. That same day, on my way to meet friends, Google Map changed my route to avoid traffic, saving me a whopping 15 minutes. Somewhere along the way, I realized, wait, all of this is powered by AI. Yes, duh, it is. And speaking of keeping your brain sharp, we've got a giveaway happening in this video. Answer our AI question in the comments for a chance to win $15 in cryptocurrency. Watch to the end for all the details. You also need to watch to the end because I'm going to share the single biggest misconception people have about AI, and we're even going to touch on a brand new AI that's trending by actually executing tasks for you and not just talking. You don't want to miss it. Let's get started. So what is AI? It's not just sci-fi anymore. Think back to that Sunday, Spotify's music, Gmail smart writing, Google's map rerouting. That's AI in action. And at its core, AI makes computers think and act like humans. We see this on different levels. We have artificial narrow intelligence (ANI). Machines focus on specific tasks, like Spotify's recommendation using machine learning, Gmail smart compose using natural language processing, and Google's map traffic prediction. Next is artificial general intelligence (AGI). This is an exciting frontier where AI can learn and perform any human intellectual tasks. Recent breakthroughs like GPT-4, Google's Gemini are pushing boundaries in this domain. And then there is Manus AI, a new agent designed to autonomously execute tasks. Imagine telling Manus to plan your trip to Dubai. It researches, compares, and drafts a complex itinerary for you. Then there is artificial superintelligence (ASI). Still theoretical, this is where AI surpasses human intelligence and movie stuff right now. AI is already transforming industries. Think about how it personalizes your entertainment, streamlines communication, and optimizes navigation. With agents like Manus, we're looking at potentials in areas like travel and beyond. This is driving a huge demand for AI professionals in the US. AI engineers can earn between $106,000 to $300,000 annually, and the future looks incredibly promising, with the AI market predicted to reach a whopping $1.8 trillion by 2030. Now, let's address some of these misconceptions surrounding AI. One of the biggest of them is the fear of robots taking over the world. I know I have that fear too. While movies often portray this, the reality is that AI in its current and foreseeable future form is a tool. Like any tool, its impact depends on how we choose to develop and use it. Ethical considerations are crucial, and there are ongoing discussions about biases and algorithms and the potential impacts on jobs. It's important to remember that AI, even advanced agents like Manus, are being shaped by human choices and values. Remember that misconception I teased at the beginning? A lot of people think AI is about replacing human intelligence, but the truth is that the most powerful application of AI, even with these new autonomous agents like Manus, are actually about augmenting human intelligence. It's about working alongside humans, automating repetitive tasks, and helping us make better, more informed decisions. Think of it as a superpowered assistant, not a replacement. Alright, I don't promise and fail. It's time for the giveaway. Here's your chance to win $15 in cryptocurrency. That is USDC or USDT sent straight to your cryptocurrency wallet. To win, you need to answer this question. What is artificial intelligence really about? A. Letting robots take over the world. B. Teaching a computer how to copy your handwriting. And C. Empowering machines to learn and adapt from human intelligence. To enter, you need to follow all these steps. Comment your answer below and tell us why you chose that answer. We want to see your reasoning. Follow us on all our social media accounts. That is TikTok at Lift Ahead, Instagram at Lift Ahead, Facebook at SGOlo, and LinkedIn at SGOlo. Take a screenshot showing you followed all those accounts. Email your screenshots to questions@liftahead.com. Make sure you use the subject line AI giveaway proof. The winner will be announced in our next video, so make sure you subscribe and have those notifications turned on. Good luck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.